Good afternoon everyone. Today I am going to estimate serum albumin by BCG method, that is bromocresol green method. In my last video I have estimated serum total protein by biuret method. So today I am going to estimate serum albumin by BCG method. So in the BCG method, the principle is the albumin which is present in the sample, it binds with the BCG dye, that is bromocresol green dye, at the pH 4.15 to give rise blue color complex, and the complex formed is directly proportional to the concentration of albumin in the given sample, and it is measured at 620 nanometer. So in the procedure, again we need to dilute serum in the ratio of 1:10, that is 200 microliter of serum sample is to be added into 2 ml of normal saline. So let us do it. Now I am going to take clean test tube. In that you can see here 200 microliter I have fixed. So 200 microliter serum sample should be added into the clean test tube. Right? Into that, this you can see it is normal saline, right? So normal saline 2 ml. Okay, so as in the previous video, we need to prepare 3 test tubes and label them as blank, standard and test, right? So in the blank, we are going to add (200 microliter), again 200 microliter, right? 200 microliter of normal saline. Similarly, in the standard, this is the albumin standard. Albumin standard. Okay. So albumin standard, we need to add 200 microliter into the standard one, and 200 microliter of diluted serum, which we have already diluted into 1:10 ratio into the test, followed by 5 ml of BCG bromocresol green into each tube. So after adding all the content, you need to mix the content properly. As you can see here, in all the test tube, you can see the blank part, the bromocresol green dye, which is a green color, it remains as it is, whereas the standard, the color after reaction with bromocresol green dye, it has become blue, as well as in the test it also turns into blue color, right? So after mixing this, let it stand for 10 minutes, right? After 10 minutes, we are going to take the optical density, that is its measurement by using photoelectric colorimeter at 620 nanometer. Okay, so the calculation part, we are taking the optical density by using 620 nanometer in photoelectric colorimeter. So before that, we need to set the optical absorbance at 00 by this distilled water. Okay, here we have taken 620 nanometer, right? And we are making the optical density here at 0.0. So after that, use the black to make the optical density of the machine at 0.0, right? Now we are supposed to take the standard solution. That is 0.54. Similarly, we need to take the reading for taste also. And for taste it is 0.53, right? Okay, so after obtaining the value of serum albumin, we need to calculate its concentration in the given sample, right? So after calculating the concentration in the given sample, we need to calculate the serum globulin part, right? So serum globulin can be obtained by subtracting this albumin from the total protein, and total protein we already got in my previous videos. You can see in my previous video there you can get the total protein value, right? So after calculating or subtracting this albumin from the total protein, we get serum globulin. So once we get the value of serum albumin as well as serum globulin, then what we need to do is we need to divide this serum albumin by serum globulin to get AG ratio, which you can see in the calculation part.